Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today, I'm gonna make a simple side dish using potato. Potato is in season these days, from June to September. It helps to prevent anemia, for it is so proficient in vitamin C. Also, it has very low calories, so it is good for losing weight. So if you're ready, let's get started. Peel off the skins of 2 potatoes. Be careful not to cut yourself. Then, thinly slice them and shred them. Put them in a water for 10 minutes to get rid of the starch. If there is a starch when you stir fry the potato, it'll stick to the bottom of the pan. Cut out the both ends of carrot and peel off its skin. Then, slice them vertically to make it look like a square. Cut them into matchsticks. Now, I'll drain the water out of the bowl. Put 5 spoons of olive oil in a medium heat. I'm gonna use an ample amount of oil at this time, for it is gonna take a while to make it done. Put a shredded potato and carrots. Stir them together for 5 minutes. Then, put 1 teaspoon of salt in a pan. Stir them 7 more minutes. You can smell the potatoes done in a few minutes of stirring them. And then turn up the heat and leave them for 5 minutes. This recipe is so easy and simple, but it tastes awesome. Try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.